Hey guys, David HD Trucks and Equip right here in fabulous Henderson, Tennessee. And yeah, we found another one here, guys. This thing, you aren't going to believe this. You don't get any better than this unless you go see the boys at the new truck store and pay them a whole lot more money. What you got here is a 2020 Ford F650 Super Duty. And that's got the big old Triton V10 in it. No Powerstroke problems here, no DEF problems here. You guys up north, that'll actually start when it gets to be cold out. That's exactly what you're all looking for. Look at this thing. This is absolutely gorgeous. Look at the condition of this thing. Alloy wheels all the way around. Look at that. Look at the body on this thing. I have not seen a nick or a scratch on that cab anywhere. It's got the nice chrome mirrors on it. It's got all the good stuff. It's a beautiful, beautiful little truck. That really is. Got all the strobe lights on it. Chrome bumpers, got the tow hooks on there so you can pull somebody out of the ditch. Tires are good. Alloy wheels all over the place. What a spectacular truck. Now, look at this. 12,000 pound capacity. This is a PTO driven, hydraulically operated Hydratail. It is a power dovetail basically. And so 12,000 pound deck, boy, you can haul some big heavy stuff on there. And look at this right here, 8,000 pounds on the dovetail. So what you do is you run your vehicle up there. You put the top half up there, the bottom half is still on here. You just raise that up, tuck the ramp underneath the bottom, and away you go. Boy, look at there. I want to show you something here because this is really pretty cool. By the way, it does have a real nice 10,000 pound winch right there. And these are the operations. Very simple. Look at this, 3 levers. Tail, dovetail, all that kind of stuff. So there's what you do. You just raise it back up again. You fold the dovetail back. When it comes up, you're going to hear it lock into place. There you go. And then you're going to set him back down. He's going to latch into place. That's it. Now, here's what I want to show you. You got a deck there that's, I don't know, 19 feet, something like that. I haven't measured it yet. See this part right here, that little dovetail. We're going to call that, I don't know, 4 feet. That's all the room you need. So if your car is sitting right here, you can back right up to it. Lower that down, winch it up there, drive it up there, whatever you got to do. Now, if you're using a regular rollback, we all know what that means. You got to have about 20 feet in front of you between you and the car, plus the length of your truck, plus the length of the car. Holy mackerel, you need 50, 60 feet. This is so cool. Plus the fact, 12,000 pound lift. This opens up a new avenue for you kids. You can haul equipment. Hey, somebody calls you up and they say, hey, I need you to haul that skid steer right there. Well, guess what? You can actually put that up there. It'll haul it. So it's an equipment hauler, car hauler. Now, if you need to haul an extra vehicle, right back here you've got a little receiver hitch. All you do is throw a trailer behind there, use your winch to pull the car up on the trailer if it's not movable on its own. Very solid, very cool, very neat. Hey, look at here. You got the toolboxes built in. Belly toolboxes, underbody toolboxes. Look at this. There's the condition. Look at that. Look at the hinge. There is. Oh my gosh, look at there. You even got the keys. We never get the keys. Such a nice piece. Alloy wheels, tires on the thing are spectacular. I'm going to show you why this is in such good shape in just a couple of minutes. You're going to love this piece right here. Backup camera in case you didn't see that. Strobe lights all over the place, side marker lights. You got a nice working light up there. That light up there can be just amber, it can be just green, it can be floodlights, it can be all kinds of things. Plus you got the LED work lights on it right there. Nice step right there. Look at the interior. Holy mackerel, you can eat off this thing. This is so clean. It's absolutely unbelievable. I'm going to show you why as soon as we walk around. What a pretty truck. Ford's got a really nice front end. I like the way they changed these style now. Very, very pretty. Very nice truck. So, on the inside, you got locks and windows. You got an electric air seat, or electric over hydraulic. It's got a working radio. Here, let's shut that off. So, electric seat, armrest on the driver's seat, armrest on the passenger seat. That's a stationary, not stationary, you can go back and forth. But that also has the lift on it, the air ride on it. Beautiful truck. Beautiful truck. So here's your cruise control right there. Here's your radio controls right here. Look at there, phone ready. It's also CD and it's also MP3. I guess that's where you sync it on right there. Here's your heating and air conditioning controls. These are the controls for the strobe lights. For the light bar on top, as I say, you want to have floodlights, you can have floodlights. Rear floodlights, you got all kinds of things you can do with it. PTO switch lives right down there. Sound system, headlight system. Here's the best part. Hang on, guys. How many miles is that? 9,711 miles. Oh, you know what? I'll bet you that's maybe even got less than that. Nope, that's the actual miles. 9,711 miles. That's it. That's what that baby's got on it for miles. That's why this thing is so clean. You know what? I'm going to just turn off the PTO since we're not using it anymore. I might just turn off these here too, because otherwise I'll forget. What a beautiful, beautiful truck. Less than 10,000 miles, guys. As I say, unless you're going to go to the new truck dealer and buy this thing for a whole lot more money, you don't get any better than this. Absolutely gorgeous. My wife drove this back, about 11, 12 hours, something like that. Runs like a Cadillac. She absolutely loved it. 2020 F650, 12,000 pound Hydratail hauler. 9,700 miles. Unbelievable. If you can use this truck, you give me a call. We're right here at HD Trucks and Equip in fabulous Henderson, Tennessee. My personal cell phone number is 602-510-5444. And as always, we greatly appreciate you looking.